The Blink Outdoor 4 security camera system offers a truly wire-free setup that is quick to install and easy to manage from a smartphone, making it ideal for renters and homeowners alike. Video quality is impressively clear with full high-definition resolution during the day and reliable infrared night vision, so faces and details remain recognizable in low-light conditions. The standout benefit is the long-lasting battery design, which can realistically run for close to 2 years on the included lithium batteries under typical use, reducing maintenance and ladder time. Motion alerts feel responsive thanks to the dual zone detection that cuts down on unnecessary triggers while still catching people approaching doors, driveways, or yards. For those who want extra intelligence, the optional subscription adds person detection and convenient cloud clip storage, while the included Sync Module 2 allows local backup with a compatible drive. Integration with Alexa smart displays and speakers works smoothly, letting you pull up live views, talk through the camera, and arm or disarm with simple voice commands.